why do you want to have so many programs? Because the University A is having this program, therefore B must have it. Who has told you? For the upteenth time, there is a university which we created, which I chaperoned, called Southeast Kenya University. It's in the semi-arid area of Kenya. If you are going there, you should carry some water, just in case. So there's water stress there. The climate is a bit harsh there. That's a fantastic university that should be able to survive, even if there was right sizing, isn't it? But then the university should have impact on its own environment. So I don't know how much environmental research, how much water technology, how much engineering technology for water is being done there. With what you have all the powers to do what it takes, including to say, well, I have not seen the big vice chancellor from Chuka University here. When I asked him, why do we have a branch of Chuka University in Embu? Embu is a very fine university. Chuka is another very fine university. They're just a few kilometers away. I was asking him, why do you have a branch of Chuka University in Embu? His answer was that it was there before Embu University was established. I want him to forget about that and think professorially. Are we together? So that you don't have branches scattered all over. You have the original 7 universities that are still there. Is their quality and relevance still coming? Are the things that you are teaching relevant to our society? Why are we giving children, as I stop, why are we giving children certificates that they stay with for 20 years and they can't be employed? You have a job to do. Look at the population, look at the labor market, including the labor market around the region, and let us nurture our programs which will be relevant to those markets and ensure that the people are skilled.